How to change username on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change username on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on the option labeled as edit profile. And now here, once you're inside the edit profile option, what you can do is just tap on the username field, and there what you can do is simply erase your current username, and after that you can simply re-enter your new username. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on check mark icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, to save your new username. And there, if the username is already taken, then you need to try a different one, and with that, Instagram will immediately notify you if it's available or not. And with that, just the tip is that you can change your username once in every 14 days. So choose wisely. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.